Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using LABOXD Science Kits. Today's activity is windsock. Windsock is a device which is used to find the wind direction. It is also used to measure the wind speed. It is normally located at the airport to indicate the direction and strength of the wind to pilots. The activity packet contains a procedure sheet, a board with the required items, some tissue papers, pins, bamboo sticks and straw. Separate the parts from the board. Take the bamboo stick, fix it to the base through circular part as shown. This is the stand. Take the tissue paper, stick this paper to the circular ring. Now, let us fix this circular ring to the bamboo stick. Now the windsock is ready. Observe the working of the windsock by blowing air. We can use a fan to understand the working of this windsock. Whenever the direction of the wind is changed, the windsock shows the direction. I hope you enjoyed watching today's activity. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such videos.